Are we alone in the universe? Many scientists believe that Earth isn't the only place in the universe to host life. Are we alone in the Milky Way? Intelligent alien life forms on other planets in a similar way to how it does on Earth. The researchers refined the equation using new data and assumptions. They found that there are likely between 4 and 211 civilizations, with 36 the most likely number. Finding these civilizations is another issue entirely. Scientists said they would be thousands of light years away. But let's begin by exploring Proxima Centauri b, the nearest exoplanet that may potentially harbor alien life. Life forms might have evolved to withstand continuous exposure to the star's radiation, possibly developing protective mechanisms or using the constant light to their advantage, perhaps through photosynthesis-like processes. On the dark side, organisms could have adapted to the extreme cold and constant darkness, possibly relying on geothermal energy or other forms of heat different from starlight to survive. Now, if intelligent alien life exists on Proxima Centauri b, the implications would be astonishing. First, it would suggest that intelligent life is likely common throughout the galaxy. Considering the Milky Way hosts an estimated 400 billion stars, the odds that the only 2 planets with intelligent life happen to be neighbors would be astronomically low. Second, the discovery could provide clues into the nature of space travel among extraterrestrial civilizations. If these neighboring beings have not yet made contact, it could indicate that even for a more advanced alien society, interstellar travel is an even bigger challenge than we thought. Or it might also suggest that they are technologically less advanced than we are, positioning humanity as the potential first interstellar visitors. In this scenario, we would be the aliens arriving on their planet. However, before we get ahead of ourselves, it's crucial to remember that these ideas remain purely speculative. The existence of extraterrestrial life, let alone intelligent life beyond Earth, has yet to be confirmed. Another intriguing candidate for hosting alien life is Kepler-62e, a super-Earth located about 1,200 light-years away, and here's why this exoplanet stands out. It's approximately 1.6 times the size of Earth, which suggests it might have similar mass and gravity. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, which is smaller and cooler than the Sun, creating potentially ideal conditions for liquid water. There's a strong hypothesis that Kepler-62e could be a water world, covered mostly or completely by oceans. This could mean a variety of aquatic life forms might exist there. If Kepler-62e has an atmosphere, it's thought to be very cloudy, warm and humid, extending to the polar regions. If it truly is a water world, this could make the development of civilization as we know it more challenging, yet it does not eliminate the possibility of advanced marine organisms. The concept of life on Kepler-62e is still speculative, but it's a top candidate in the search for alien life due to these promising characteristics. However, its great distance from Earth means that our current technology doesn't allow us to study it in detail to confirm these possibilities. Gliese 667 cc is another super-Earth with the potential to host alien life.
The planet has a radius 1.7 times that of Earth and is about 23 light-years away. Gliese 667 cc is part of a triple star system, which could mean that if you were standing on the planet, you might see 3 suns in the sky. Its host star is a red dwarf with about a third as much mass as the Sun. As a result, stars like Gliese 667c
can live up to 150 billion years, or 15 times longer than the Sun's lifespan. Even if alien life does not currently exist on Gliese 667 cc, the system's potential lifespan of 150 billion years offers an extended window for life to emerge and evolve. This prolonged period of stability far exceeds that of our own Sun, providing more than enough time for complex life forms to develop at a later stage in the planet's history.